enables wireless video streaming, reduces cable clutter, enhances flexibility, supports multiple displays, and delivers smooth, high-definition transmission for convenience everywhere. My today's video is about top 5 best wireless HDMI 4 receivers and transmitter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting it at was wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. The best wireless HDMI 4 receivers and transmitter is an excellent solution for anyone who wants a clean, cable-free entertainment or workspace setup without sacrificing image quality. Unlike many wireless HDMI systems that limit output to 1080p, this model delivers true 4K video with crisp details and rich audio, making movies, presentations, and gaming more immersive. Its plug-and-play design eliminates the need for Wi-Fi, apps, or driver installations. Simply connect the transmitter and receiver, and wireless screen sharing begins within seconds. The low latency of approximately 100 milliseconds keeps audio and video synchronized, providing smooth playback and responsive performance for everyday use. With a transmission range of up to 164 feet in open spaces and support for one transmitter connecting to 4 receivers, it easily handles multi-room viewing or business presentations. Premium features like HDMI loop-out, USB KVM control, and IR remote support add versatility, making this wireless HDMI system a reliable, high-performance choice for home theaters, offices, classrooms, and digital signage. Now our second product is Lemurial Wireless USB-C Transmitter. The Lemurial Wireless USB-C Transmitter and HDMI Receiver Kit offers a simple and reliable way to enjoy wireless screen sharing without the hassle of cables or complicated setup. Its true plug-and-play functionality requires no apps, software, or Wi-Fi connection, allowing users to connect and start streaming within seconds while keeping desks and entertainment areas clutter-free. With a transmission range of up to 164 feet in open environments and advanced 5G wireless technology, it delivers a stable and responsive connection for presentations, movies, and everyday productivity. The 1080p at 60 Hz HD output produces sharp visuals and smooth motion, making it suitable for business meetings, classrooms, and home entertainment. The kit supports a wide variety of devices, including USB-C laptops, smartphones, tablets, cameras, HD TVs, projectors, and LED displays across Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS platforms. Its compact, travel-friendly design, broad compatibility, 1-year warranty, and responsive customer support make it a dependable wireless display solution for both professionals and casual users. Our third product is Shinhong 2026 New Wireless HDMI Transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit is a feature-packed solution for anyone seeking a reliable cable-free display experience. Its 4K decoding technology delivers crisp 1080p at 60 Hz output, producing vibrant images and smooth motion for presentations, movies, gaming, and live events. That a standout feature is the advanced cooling system, which keeps operating temperatures low to minimize overheating and maintain stable signal transmission during extended use. The dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz wireless technology provides strong anti-interference performance, supporting transmission distances up to 360 feet in open areas while remaining dependable indoors. Near-zero latency ensures audio and video stay perfectly synchronized, making it suitable for professional presentations, sports viewing, and real-time monitoring. Plug-and-play functionality eliminates complicated setup, while mirror and extend modes improve productivity. Supporting one receiver with up to 8 transmitters and 3 simultaneous systems, it offers exceptional flexibility for businesses and events. Its compact design, wide HDMI compatibility, included adapters, LED status display, and 24-month replacement service make it an outstanding long-term investment. Now number 4, Futao 2027 Upgraded Wireless HDMI Transmitter. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 4K delivers an impressive combination of convenience, performance, and portability, making it an excellent choice for both home and professional use. Its true plug-and-play design eliminates the need for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, apps, or complicated configurations, allowing devices to connect in less than 10 seconds. Zero-drop technology provides ultra-smooth transmission with virtually no noticeable delay, ensuring a reliable viewing experience. Equipped with advanced 5G and 2.4G dual-band technology and a dynamic stability equalizer engine, it maintains a strong, interference-resistant signal over distances of up to 328 feet. The 4K decoding capability combined with 1080p at 60 Hz output produces sharp visuals and fluid motion, while the integrated LDS antenna enhances transmission speed and stability. Support for both mirror and extended display modes adds flexibility for presentations, gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Its lightweight, travel-friendly design and broad compatibility with laptops, cameras, projectors, monitors, and HD TVs make it a dependable wireless display solution backed by a reassuring 24-month replacement service. And our last choice is Vention Wireless HDMI Transmitter. The Vention Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit is a premium wireless display solution designed for users who need reliable long-range streaming and effortless multi-screen connectivity. Its upgraded LED display provides real-time status information for power, signal, connection, and output, making setup and troubleshooting simple even for first-time users. Powered by 5D by high-gain antennas and zero-drop technology, the system delivers stable, low-latency transmission up to 393 feet in open environments while maintaining crisp 1080p at 60 FPS visuals with built-in 4K decoding. The ability to connect one transmitter to multiple receivers creates a seamless multi-display experience, making it ideal for presentations, digital signage, classrooms, events, and home entertainment. An advanced cooling system with intelligent heat management ensures consistent performance during extended operation, reducing the risk of overheating. The compact design and compatibility with nearly all HDMI devices make it easy to use anywhere, while support for up to 6 displays and a 24-month replacement warranty add outstanding value, flexibility, and long-term reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.